What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, your boy might have just found the next greatest source of passive income in the whole crypto space as a whole. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me, I love passive income. I love the fact that I can sit down, take a poop, I can play Xbox, I can be sleeping and making money. You know what I'm saying? My cat is already screaming and we're just in the intro. This is ridiculous. But if you're excited for the video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and let's get right into this. Before we get into the video, I do have to let you guys know I did put my Patreon people onto this a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? I actually told them when I was researching this project, because I've been researching this project a little while ago, but today is actually the day when I decided to hop into it. But I put my peoples onto it a little while ago, and actually somebody hit me up and they had actually bought 5 nodes and they have recouped their money back already because the price of it has increased, which we'd love to see. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to be in my Patreon, where I put you guys onto the projects that I'm hopping into, that I'm researching, I let you guys know when I'm taking profit. I also let you guys know what I'm thinking when we have red days in the market like today, or green days in the market. You know what I'm saying? Hit the Patreon up. It's right there. First thing inside the description, or you could scroll down to the comments as well. Patreon.com/Joovier's Gems. You know what I'm saying? I just love my Patreon people. They cool. You know what I'm saying? It feels good to be able to help people more closely. Like with YouTube, it's cool. I love YouTube. I'm dropping free gems on here. You go be a millionaire by just watching these videos. You know what I'm saying? But if you're trying to be trading with me, hop on the Patreon. If not, you could still be rich watching my videos, because I'm dropping straight gems. So that's why I said subscribe, because you're not going to be rich if you don't subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Now let's hop into this for real. So boom, ring nodes, you know what I'm saying? This project was super sketchy. It still is pretty sketchy, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I gotta say this, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a CPA, I'm none of that. We're friends. I'm trying to put y'all onto what I'm onto. You know what I'm saying? But this project is super, super risky, and I want you guys to understand that. I will never lie to you guys and be like, oh, this is the safest investment you could take. This is the safest this, safest that. No, this is super risky. I'm going to be trying to convince you not to do it. But also, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what it is, how you can get into it, and how much it pays you, because it pays you some freaking ridiculous amounts of money. But like I said, it is risky. So I'm going to try and convince you guys not to do it, but I want you guys to do your own research. Obviously, don't just hop into this project just because I made a video about it. Or if anybody makes a video about it, do your own research on the project first. I'm begging you. See if it's something that interests you and something that you believe in. Now, let's for real hop into this video. So Ring.Financial. These are nodes, but they're not the same exact nodes as the strong block nodes that I've talked about before. If you guys did not know, I made a video about strong block nodes a little while ago. You can check it out if you haven't already. But these are completely different in a way that it's not just information passing through them. I told you guys a node is basically just like a cord where information is coming from here to over here. The node is sending it to each side of it. This node is completely different. These are yield processing nodes. And what that means, basically, I'm going to give you guys a quick overview. I'm not going to go too in depth of what it is, because I want you guys to have to do your own research. But basically what it is this whole system, these whole nodes are like automatic DeFi farmers. If you don't know what that is, sorry, not DeFi farmers, automatic DeFi yield farmers. If you don't know what that is, yield farming is kind of like, I made a video about pancake swap where they offer 74% APY. I made a video about this Radium that offers some crazy high APY for yield farming. There's a bunch of different services that offer crazy high APY for yield, for kind of loaning your crypto to them, or putting it in liquidity pools, or staking it, or whatever it is. You're kind of loaning your crypto and they're paying you a percentage of that crypto based off the amount that you loan them. So this is basically automating it. Instead of you going to pancake swap, Uniswap, Radium, all that by yourself, these are kind of doing it for you. That's what the whole node is running for. As you see on the website, it says access the world of DeFi through a multi-chain yield processing node. When it says multi-chain, it's going from the Ethereum blockchain, it does Radium blockchain, it does Binance Smart blockchain, which this is exactly what this Ring node is on, which is another plus that I'll get into a little bit later in the video. Earn lifetime rewards of 2,600% APY, which is absolutely ridiculous. Yield farmer generating protocol. I want you guys to read through all this yourself. I'm not going to go through all of it because I do not want this video to be super long. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can get into it. I'm going to give you a full tutorial, full walkthrough of buying BNB, swapping it, and then buying your first Ring node. So yeah. but it's kind of the same in strong as you need 10 ring tokens to create one node versus strong, you need 10 strong tokens to create one node. But the good thing about ring is that each price of ring is only $357 as of right now versus strongs was chilling around $600 each, so it would take you around $6,000 to create a node. This one is still a pretty hefty price of $3,500 per node, but once I get into the benefits of it and how much it's offering you, it kind of makes sense, sort of, kind of, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to convince you to do it, I'm just saying it makes some pretty good money. But let's scroll down a little bit more. It kind of has a bunch of the different DeFi protocols that it operates with. So this is the ring in the middle. Then we have Aave here, we have Pancake Swap, we got Strong Block here. We have all these different DeFi protocols over here, and this is basically what it's working with, what it's using. Like I said, please read through all this yourself. I don't want to go through it because I want to force you guys kind of to do it yourself. So let's kind of get onto the bad stuff now. Like I said, very new project. I believe it's only been up for around a month or so, somewhere around there. It is not audited. As you see right here, it says audit coming soon. Once it gets audited, I would feel way better about the project as a whole. But it is not audited as of right now, and they don't even have a white paper. Big red flag. Another big red flag. If we look over here, there's a button for read white paper, but you can't click it. You cannot click it. It says revealed in a few days, and it's been more than a few days and it has not been revealed. So that is another big red flag. I'm telling you guys, very risky investment. Do not put your mama's rent money into this. Don't steal your grandma's credit card and go Hail Mary straight into this. You know what I'm saying? Very risky investment. Getting started with Ring, this kind of gives you a whole walkthrough of how you get started with it. Like I said, I'm going to do that towards the end of the video. It says buy a Ring, create a node, enjoy rewards, and it has a cool watch Netflix button down here because it's basically saying you can watch Netflix and be making money. This link actually does lead to Netflix. I clicked it before. I was very excited. It almost made me start watching Money Heist. It just came back on, actually. I love Money Heist. If you don't watch Money Heist, you're missing out. But yeah, so that's a couple of the bad things. They're not audited. They don't have their white paper. And another big thing is that their whole team, the developers, is not public. No, I don't even know who they are. I haven't seen anything about them. If you have, please let me know. But I personally haven't seen anybody that's actually behind this. Versus Strongbox nodes, the developer of it, or the main developer, he's very much in the public eye. He does AMAs all the time. People know who he is, so his name and his reputation is attached to Strongblock. So if Strongblock fails and Strongblock is a rug pull, his reputation goes down the drain. With this, it could be a complete rug pull and there will be nobody to blame, nobody to be mad at. So, like I said, another huge red flag. But there's just so many green flags. And when I say green flags, I mean some great money. You know what I'm saying? So if you're familiar with strong block nodes, they pay you out 0.1 strong tokens per day. So it'll take you 10 days to get one strong token. This one is completely different. It pays you out 0.5 ring tokens every single day. Well, 0.556 to be exact, every single day. So you would get one ring token in one day. Well, in 2 days, sorry. If you have two of them, you would get, obviously, one ring token in 1 day. I actually have two nodes. I'll show you guys them in a little bit. I love them. They're my little babies. I actually just got them today because, like I said, well, I didn't even say this, but it's kind of like a Black Friday sale in the market today. All of the coins are down. So that's why I decided to get into the coin as of right now, because every coin is down like 10, 12, 15%. We love to see it. If you want to know what I think about this whole crypto crash, sign up for my Patreon. I talked about it. I gave you guys some advice and everything like that. But now I'm going to get into how you guys can get started with it. It is on the Binance Smart Chain. So it does make it fairly simple. All you really need is a Binance account. So you can go to Binance.us and just create an account really quickly. And you'll just need enough Binance to buy 10 ring tokens. So how you would do that, honestly, is you would come here, you would see the cost of each ring token, or you can come on coinmarketcap.com and just type in ring financial right here. We see the price right here is 354. It's down 13% as of right now. But if we look in the past week, it's actually up. Past month, it is up as well. I think I told people about it around this time right here when it was at like $191 per token. And as you see, the price has almost doubled, is at 354. It at a the highest point it did double, 460, I believe it got up to. But yeah, so all you have to do is come on and figure out how many ring tokens or how much BNB you would need to buy exactly 10 ring tokens. So how I would do it and how I did it is you'll just take this price right here, 354, take out your handy dandy calculator, 354 if you can't do the math in your head, and just times it by 10. Comes out to $3,540. Now you do need some additional BNB inside of your MetaMask wallet. So I would add just like $100 onto that, or 100, 150, whatever it is, just additional money. So it's not, so you have enough to swap your BNB for the ring token. So I would just, if the price was right here, I would get $3,640. So then once you decide how much you need, then you would come right over here to Binance.us, you would press buy crypto. You would click this Bitcoin button or whatever it shows here, press BNB, type it right there, choose the amount you need. Let's say we need 3,000, I forgot the number, but let's say 3,640. Then you would press preview purchase, purchase it, and boom. Once you purchase it, everything goes through. You would come right here and press wallet. Then the BNB would be inside your wallet. Right now I don't have any BNB in here. I believe I'm only holding here some Harmony 1 tokens in here, just a little bit of it. But your BNB will show here once you buy it. If it doesn't, come to the search bar, type in BNB, and you'll press these 3 dots right here and press withdraw. Now, like I said, you do need a MetaMask account. So you would come up here to get your MetaMask account number and all that. You just come to MetaMask right here. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain, and you're just gonna copy this number up here. And then once you go back into BNB and press withdraw, it would pop up a screen that would let you paste in the address you want to send it or the wallet you want to send it to. But since I don't have any BNB, it's not gonna pop it up. But I can give you an example of what it's gonna look like if we come over here, because I have some of this. Let's just imagine this is BNB. You would just choose the network. The network should be BSC. It'll pop up once you type in or once you paste in the wallet address that you got from MetaMask. But you'll just change the network, make sure it's on BNB, I think, or BEC20, I believe, something like that. It'll be there. If not, comment down below and I'll answer your question because I can see it from there. But yeah, so then you would send it from your Binance account to your MetaMask. And then once you have the BNB inside of your MetaMask, you should see it here, enough of it to be able to buy 10 ring tokens. You would see your BNB here, and then you would come right back to ring.financial, and then you'll press launch app. You would then need to swap your BNB tokens for ring tokens, and a very simple way to do it is using pancake swap. Once you're on here, it shows a button right here that says buy ring. We're just gonna press buy ring, and it will have everything loaded up already. BNB converted to ring. Now, like I said, you only need 10 ring to create one node. So I would just come down here and type in 10. Then it would show you exactly how much BNB you need, which as of right now is 6.73827. And then you would just go ahead, press this. You would press swap right here. Then it will pop down on your MetaMask to approve it. Of course, I can't do it right now because I don't have the BNB inside of my wallet. But you would just approve it right then and there. And then you will have the ring inside of your MetaMask. You should see it right here. It should say 10 ring. So now that you have the 10 ring, then you can go ahead and start the purchase process of the ring. You would just come right back to app.ring.financial. Make sure your wallet is connected. As you see, I have 2. As of right now, I have Java Placer Uno, because I'm Spanish, and Java Placer Dos, because I'm Spanish times 2. You know what I'm saying? Did I even spell dos right? I don't even know. But yeah, as you see up here, the current rewards is 0.556 nodes per day. So if we do the math, you recoup your money back in less than 20 days, technically. So let's do the math really quickly. Because remember, our cost was 10 ring tokens. So if we're getting paid half a ring token a day, we just need to times that by 20 and we're getting back our 10. But we're getting paid a little bit more than just half per day. We're getting paid 0.556 per day. So to do the math to see how many days it would take for us to recoup the same amount of ring tokens back, we would just do 10 divided by 0.556 equals 18 days basically. It would take you 18 days to recoup back your 10 ring tokens. It could be faster, it could be slower depending on the price of ring. If price stays at the same, it would take the 18 days. If the price goes up, it would take less than 18 days. If it goes down, it would take more than 18 days to recoup back your initial investment. Another great thing that I see about this project, like I said, it's very new and it already has 24,267 nodes already created, which is absolutely freaking ridiculously good. Absolutely freaking ridiculously good. That was a lot for no reason. But another good thing about this, I know I'm saying a lot of good things. Make sure you remember the bad stuff. Make sure there's bad stuff too. Remember that. But another good thing, it is on the Binance Smart Chain, so the fees are a lot cheaper. You're not paying those crazy high Ethereum gas fees. If you have any strong block nodes, you know that honestly, Ethereum, if you do anything on the Ethereum network, the fees are absolutely ridiculous. I tried transferring $1,000 literally right before I made this video for something, and there was gas fees of $370, which is freaking ridiculous. I wanted to throw my phone on my computer, but instead I just approved the transaction and cried myself to sleep. But yeah, that's really the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope I was able to make it very simple for you guys on what it is, a brief little overview, all the bad stuff on it to convince you not to do it. But then I told you guys good stuff that kind of makes you want to do it. But like I said, not financial advice. Only risk money that you can afford to lose, because this could be a complete rug pull and you could lose all of your money, literally. Or it could be really good and it's like getting into strong block nodes before strong block nodes were strong block nodes, before the hype was around and before everybody knew about them, you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button if you're enjoying these passive income videos. Subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post. And if you want to take it a step further, my Patreon's right there, patreon.com/JoovierGems. Be notified whenever I buy a new crypto, whenever I invest into a new project, if I'm researching a new project like this, you know what I'm saying? Or even if I'm taking profits on a certain project, just be in my head when it comes to this crypto space. Sign up for my Patreon. If not, you know what I'm saying, I'm still dropping these free gems that's gonna make you billions and millions of dollars. And all I ask is when you drive by in your Lamborghini and you see me walking down the street, throw me a couple $100,000, you know what I'm saying? That's all I ask. I don't ask for much, you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. Good luck on all your trades. Good luck on all your crypto. Let me know what y'all think of these nodes in the comments down below. Do you have any? Would you get any? Do you think it's a Ponzi scheme? Do you think I'm about to lose all my money? Like, warn me ahead of time. It would be, just warn me ahead of time, and I would appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying, good luck on all your trades, good luck on all your crypto, good luck on all your businesses, good luck on your children, if you have any children. Good luck on your parents. I hope you have parents and they're doing well, healthy and all that. I'm gonna see you on the next video.